Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, September 23rd, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Yeah, we had a good day today. I have some reservations, which I'll express at the end of this video, but regardless, you can see here what's happened with the Dow. We had a good up day yesterday, I think 300 points or something, and then today that followed through with an even bigger day, and that's normally a very good pattern for us, with the Dow going up 506 points. Now, I'm not trying to disparage what happened today, but in the good old days, this kind of pattern probably would have yielded a day where we made $50,000 to $100,000. We didn't make that much, but we did make money today. So I am pleased with that. Regardless, um, the Dow is still quite a ways below its all-time highs, but it definitely has more than canceled out those losses from 3 days ago. We had, oh, I forgot to count. We had a pile of positions coming in, and we closed those out with positive $9,000 plus. We had two carryovers. So if I factor in the carryover things, we probably saw our open trade equity from yesterday eroded by only about $2,000. There was some erosion there, and I'm going to show you that later, but still we got out with pretty decent profits, 9,000 bucks. That's not too bad. What was really good and very pleasing to me is that we got into 10 new positions, and then we had two carryovers. So we have a total of 12 positions in our open trade. 11 of those are positive, only one is negative, and we are carrying over $20,000 in open trade. Uh, Positive going into Freaky Friday tomorrow. So all that looks pretty darn good. Can't complain about any of that. I'm going to show you three stocks here uh, and talk about some of the stuff that was going on. This first one is CEI, which is Camber Energy Corporation. We've had some good moves on that. We got this gapped up. We grabbed it first hour, and it kept moving. Some pullback there at the end, but not too bad. And we were carrying positive $7,300 in Camber Energy Corporation. So that trade looks really good. Now, I'm going to show you another one here, and this is really good. This is good from the trade we entered yesterday and the re-entry, which is another something re-entries haven't been doing very well for us either. But yesterday, second hour, we bought, this is ACY, if I didn't mention that, Aero Century Corporation. And we bought Aero Century Corporation in the third hour yesterday. Uh, it pulled back quite a bit. I was complaining about that yesterday, but it popped up very nicely. Actually took out those highs from yesterday, and we got out above those highs, slightly above those highs, with $13,000 in profit. So that's a big trade, especially how we've been doing lately. And then the thing kept moving. We got re-entered here, and it went way up. Then it looked like it was going to go dud on us, and then it came back toward the end, closing pretty close to the highs there. And we are up $5,000 on the re-entry. So combine the two trades, Arrow Sensory Corporation has yielded $18,000 in profit for us so far. So that's real good. Everything about this looks real good. This doesn't look like the whack-a-moles have gotten a hold of this stock yet. Of course, tomorrow's Freaky Friday, and you never know what's going to happen. Now, so you know, overall we closed out 9,000, and we have 20,000 open trade. That is good. That's can't complain about that. But it took a 500-point move in the Dow to give us that, which I would still say that's a little bit weak given the powerful nature of the Dow moves in the last 2 days. But before you break out the champagne that the bad days are over with, I have to show you this. Just give me a second here. This is ATER, which is Turion Incorporated. We had bought this yesterday on this gap up, and it closed positive $8,000 on the close yesterday. And then it just fell out of bed this morning, and we got out there, and we went from positive 8,000 up here to negative 5,000 here. So we saw $13,000 sucked out of our bottom line this morning because the whack-a-moles moved in on Turion Incorporated. So the whack-a-moles are alive and well, and they're still causing us problems. It's just they didn't really get an upper hand on us today too badly, and as a result we have basically a $30,000 day, so that's good. Hold your breath though, we got $20,000 plus in open trade as we go into Freaky Friday tomorrow. I can't wait. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you then.